Hey guys, welcome back to Alyssa Jo Home. I'm so excited because today I am sharing with you this amazing playhouse we found, and I'm going to show you kind of a walkthrough of us putting it together, assembling it, and then kind of talk about the different features and give you my feelings on it. I am loving it. I think it's so beautiful. It's so practical. It's well made. It's aesthetically pleasing, and so far our girls have enjoyed it. So I'm going to be sharing all that info with you, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started into the video. All right, guys, so this is how the Lifetime Playhouse arrives to you. It comes in 2 boxes and it's delivered on a pallet. My husband went ahead and took out all the pieces and laid them out in our garage just so he could get a feel for what he was going to be putting together and see all the pieces. So this is it halfway assembled. The walls are 2 parts, and then here is a video of him assembling it. That piece of wood he put down in the corner was just because the ground we have it on isn't the most level. So in order to get things to connect properly, he needed to make it a little bit more level, and then once he had everything assembled, he took it out and it was fine. So here he is assembling it. There are metal rods that go within these walls that kind of keep everything together. His biggest thing is you need a drill. It does provide you with drill bits to use to make sure you have the right drill bit, which is awesome. And then a hammer for sure. But the nice thing about this playhouse is it's made with a special sort of plastic material that is specifically for outdoor use, and so it's not going to crack in super cold temperatures. When it gets warm, it kind of gets a little bit more pliable, not noticeably, but that way it keeps it from cracking or anything like that, and it's supposed to last for a long time. The house is 6 feet wide all around, and then it is 7 feet tall once assembled. So it is perfect for any age. It can grow with your little ones from toddlerhood all the way until they're 7, 8, 9, 10 and older. And that's one of the things we loved about it. We can easily be in it, and I had to help him there for a minute. And so yeah, he's just assembling it, but we love how tall and spacious it is, and it can grow with our kids. Now my daughter and I are going to place these decals that it comes with to help personalize the inside. What's really cool is that they don't give you any instructions on where to place the decals. It's all up to you, so you can make the house what you want. And this again was one of the features about the house that I really loved, was how we could personalize it and all these different decals, and my girls were just so excited to play in it once all the decals were in place, and my oldest, as you can see, was very anxious to help me. So we worked together to figure out where we wanted things. We had seen one other video on YouTube when we were kind of deciding if we wanted to purchase this house, and a few of their placements were really awesome, and so we were inspired by that on a few things. But I love that fireplace. And yeah, this was just so much fun and great to do together. I will say this house is not the cheapest playhouse you can buy. It's definitely one of the most expensive I've seen. However, for the size and the quality and the durability and how long it should last us, I think it's well worth it. We purchased this from Sam's Club. Again, it's the Lifetime Playhouse. You can purchase it on their website, but it was a little bit more expensive on there. It's something we've really wanted to invest in, and as much as we love the wood playhouses, they just don't last very well in the conditions that we live in here in Michigan. We go through some rough winters and all the elements, so we needed something that was going to have flower baskets on the outside, and so here I am adding that in, and I'm about to give you a final tour here. So here is the house. It is so beautiful. That's the other thing too. You know, the wood playhouses you can get, which those aren't cheap either when you compare the pricing. You know, they're so aesthetically pleasing and so realistic, and that's why I love those. But this still gives you all of that. And I just loved the gray and the faux wood look, the blue shutters, and the flower boxes. It's so cute. I love how each side has the little countertops. And it has the little doormat already built in. It's just so beautiful. And the one thing I love is how the windows are placed. So it gives the kids the feeling of being in the house, but as a parent, you can still, you know, easily see in, and it gets a lot of light, and you can make sure everyone's doing okay. We did add some decals on the back of the house. My daughter really wanted to put those there, so we went ahead and did that. And yeah, it's just, there's just so many awesome features. As you can see on the roof, it has this little slope in between the peaks, and that's to help the water flow down if it rains or you live in a place with snow like we do. And I just love that. It does have anchors to anchor down. We have not done that yet. So one of the awesome features is on the door is it's pinch proof. So no little fingers are going to get stuck in there, which I think is amazing. We are planning on adding some outdoor carpet, which we haven't done yet. And once we do that, we will go ahead and stake it down. But here is our final look of the decals we added. I mean, how cute is that open shelving? It's just so cute. Added some cupboards underneath there. And it's just fun. We didn't use every decal they have. There's still more we could have added in and play around with it. But I just love that they give you that creativity, that option to just be so creative with it. And we put some shelves under our windows. It's just so cute. Additionally to the decals, it comes with a lot of play food and utensils, and the play food is the kind that velcros together so the kids can pretend to cut it, which my girls absolutely love. It also has some awesome knobs that kind of you can turn and make a little bit of a mild clicking noise. The sink's got a drain, and it's just awesome, you guys. It's so worth the value, and I hope you enjoyed this video and check out the Lifetime Playhouse. Have a good one.